For thousands of years, the Sahara Desert has been the symbol of extreme heat, endless sand, and lifeless terrain. But scientists are now warning something extraordinary may happen again. The world's largest hot desert could slowly begin turning green. And if that happens, it may completely reshape weather systems, migration patterns, food production, and even global climate balance. New climate research suggests parts of the Sahara could receive dramatically more rainfall in the coming decades under high-emission climate scenarios. Some projections show rainfall increasing by up to 75% in certain regions before the end of this century. That does not mean the entire desert suddenly becomes a jungle, but it does mean the Sahara may no longer remain the endless dry wasteland the modern world is familiar with. And this is not science fiction. Earth has already seen this happen before. Scientists call it the African humid period, a time when huge parts of the Sahara were covered with grasslands, lakes, rivers, and wildlife. Around 11,000 to 5,000 years ago, the Sahara looked completely different from today. Hippos swam in giant lakes, elephants and giraffes roamed across green plains. Humans settled in areas that are now among the driest places on Earth. Ancient rock paintings discovered across North Africa still show scenes of animals, rivers, and people swimming. The evidence is overwhelming. The Sahara was once alive. So what changed? Scientists say Earth's orbit slowly shifts over time in repeating climate cycles called Milankovitch cycles. These orbital changes affect the strength of the African monsoon. When the monsoon grows stronger, rainfall moves northward into the Sahara, transforming desert into vegetation-rich land. Normally, this natural cycle unfolds over thousands of years. But researchers now believe modern climate change may accelerate parts of this transformation much faster than expected. A 2025 climate study analyzing 40 global climate models found that rising greenhouse gas emissions could significantly increase rainfall across parts of North Africa during the second half of this century. And the consequences could be enormous. Because what happens in the Sahara does not stay in the Sahara. The desert plays a major role in regulating global atmospheric circulation. Changes in Saharan rainfall can influence monsoon systems in Africa and Asia, alter hurricane activity in the Atlantic, and even impact weather patterns across Europe and North America. There is another major factor: dust. Right now, the Sahara produces massive amounts of mineral dust that travel across oceans. That dust affects cloud formation, rainfall, and even fertilizes the Amazon rainforest. If the Sahara becomes greener, dust emissions could fall dramatically, and that could trigger unexpected climate shifts around the planet. But scientists are also warning against oversimplification. A greener Sahara does not automatically mean a safer world. Rapid environmental transformation could create instability, floods, ecosystem disruption, agricultural uncertainty, and massive population shifts across vulnerable regions. Some researchers also caution that future greening caused by human-driven warming may not behave the same way as ancient natural climate cycles. Still, one thing is becoming increasingly clear: the Sahara is not permanent. It has changed before, and it may already be starting to change again. What once looked eternal may actually be temporary, and one of Earth's harshest deserts could slowly become one of the biggest climate stories of the century.